Was the first order Elon?
What? We can talk about that now. So obviously we were under an NDA, and we were concerned that one of his satellites would send down a laser beam and destroy the factory if we talked outside of the NDA. So we got a call from SpaceX, we got a call from Elon Musk's staff, and they kept calling. My business partner was like, yeah, I don't think it's real. And eventually we figured out it was real. And we said, well, look, we have 3 prototypes and you can't have one. And they kept, rather persistent. So we said, fine. We put one of the prototypes on a truck, trucked it down, unpacked it. The SpaceX guys were very generous with their time and assist in unpacking it. And I believe he's using it as a guest house. It is a prototype.
It's official. We now know, after many rumors and speculation, that Elon Musk was customer number 1 for Boxabl. These are prefab tiny homes. They already have a 100,000 unit wait list. And when I was in Vegas, I got a chance to take a tour of the factory with the CEO and ask him some really interesting questions. You won't want to miss this episode. It is coming soon. And I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek.